Alright guys, what's going on? So my wife has made curry goat and white rice with cucumber. No, what is it? Avocado. Jamaican curry goat sushi. Alright, so this is a sushi roll right here, as you can see. And we're gonna dip it in the sauce. We're gonna try it. So we got a Jamaican curry goat sushi roll. Babe. Yes. This one is cool. My Chinese wife is doing some crazy shit now. Sorry, guys. Gotta dip it for you guys. Oh. Here we go. This one as well.
Sauce.
This is it, guys. This is it, like a Michael Jackson tour. Oh, this is so good. The curry goat is so tender. But in this wrap, it's obviously curry goat and white rice, but this is so different. My grandma would be like, what the hell is that? We found something new, guys. This is cool. Let me know what y'all think. I'll holler at you guys, man. Peace.